When spring arrives in a blaze of glory, creeping phlox provides the flame. Indeed, phlox, derived from the Greek, means flame or blaze, which is appropriate. Hundreds of flowers from blue to red to white carpet the ground in a breathtaking display. Phlox is steeped in legend. According to a Native American tale, the Creek and Chickasaw people were at war because of some perceived insult. As the Chickasaw tried to retreat, the Creeks trapped them within a fiery wall, blocking their escape. A child appealed to the forest creatures for help, but the blaze was too fierce and the animals couldn't save them. Taking pity on the scene, the Great Spirit transformed the flames into creeping phlox. All were saved and peace was restored. In the Victorian era, flowers were assigned special meanings, known as the language of flowers. Lovers, friends, and even the not-so-friendly could express their sentiments in floral gifts and displays. Flowers for courting were especially popular. They still are. Garden plantings and gifts of phlox symbolized peace, unity, and likeness of mind. Creeping phlox, Phlox subulata, is native to the United States, mostly in the eastern and central regions, and thrives in USDA climate zones 3 through 9. Maximum height is up to 8 inches and spread is up to 24 inches. It prefers slightly moist, well-drained soil in full sun to partial shade with pH ranging from 6.1 to 7.8, but will tolerate short periods of drought. Subulata means all-shaped, which describes the shape of the leaves. Due to the shape of the leaves, Phlox subulata is commonly called moss pink, though the flower may include other colors. After spring bloom, the plants display an attractive mossy texture in the garden. Moss phlox is superb as a ground cover in perennial gardens and borders, rock and alpine gardens, and beside stepping stone paths. It is stunning planted atop walls and terraces, especially stone ones, where it can cascade over the side. Moss phlox is a perfect companion plant for spring bulbs like narcissus. Prepare the planting bed for creeping phlox by cultivating at least 6 inches deep, removing all traces of weeds. Compacted soil should be cultivated to 10 inches deep. Compost may be incorporated into the soil. If you choose to use synthetic nutrients, incorporate 5-10-15 fertilizer at a rate of no more than 2 pounds per 100 square feet into the top 4 to 6 inches of soil. Avoid synthetic fertilizers contacting any part of your plants. Container-grown phlox can be planted anytime you have a trowel handy, but will require monitoring of soil moisture conditions during hot weather to avoid plant stress. Maintenance is minimal. Creeping phlox has few pest and disease problems, but it isn't immune. The best preventative is to maintain vigorous plants in a healthy environment. For a thrilling floral spectacle in spring from a low-maintenance ground cover, creeping phlox is an excellent choice.